I can't be more grateful to the Heart of West London's partnership in funding this project. It's a vital project. It's an important question we have to answer. It's going to save lives. Although sudden cardiac death in sport is rare, it affects 1 in 50,000 individuals. Most victims lose several decades of life to conditions that can be identified during life and for which there are several lifestyle measures and therapeutic interventions to mitigate the risk of sudden cardiac death. This is a really important research project. There's limited amounts of information on the electrical changes within the heart structure and function. And what we're looking for is small electrical spikes on the ECG and whether these are associated with scarring within the heart muscle and whether they predispose young individuals to the risk of sudden cardiac death. These individuals are actually apparently healthy within the general population. They exercise a lot and they go about their everyday living. But actually, the vast majority, 80% of these individuals are symptom-free and could still suffer a sudden cardiac death. So what we're proposing to do is to investigate these individuals with these particular electrical anomalies with a cardiac MRI scan of the heart, exercise stress test, which is a treadmill analysis, a prolonged ECG monitor, which they would wear for 24 hours, and genetic evaluation to identify the significance and what these electrical anomalies actually mean and whether they predispose them to the risk of sudden death. We may be able to give them lots of advice in terms of the correct and the safe level of exercise they can do. We'll be able to offer them surveillance for risk stratification. We'll be able to screen their first-degree relatives who may be also at potential risk, particularly their siblings, to identify who else is vulnerable within the family. It's a 3-year project and we're 1 year into evaluating these thousands of ECGs that we're looking for these particular electrical changes. We are on trajectory to delivery at the end of the 3-year study. I'm hopeful, and I just want to emphasise that I'm really grateful for all the funding that people have given and supported in running this project.